Purpose of the bidding, big picture. All right, we've got 4 characters at our table. There's the opener and the responder, and then the opponents are called the intervener and the advancer. And each seat position has their own set of bidding rules and their own way of evaluating their hand. Now, big picture again is everyone counts high card points, right? That's aces are 4, kings are 3, queens are 2, jacks are 1, right? High card points, what we know. Then as the bidding goes around the table, it depends on whether you are raising your partner's major, or if you're just bidding a new suit or bidding no trump, right? Bidding anything other than raising your partner's major, you're going to be counting long suit points. If you are raising your partner's major, then you're going to be counting short suit points. And combining high card points with long suit points or high card points with short suit points will get you your total evaluation, right? If you just bid based on high card points, you're not going to bid enough. And bridge is definitely a bidder's game. So we want to count everything there is in our hand that leads towards taking more tricks, which are high card points, long suit points, and short suit points. Let's start with the hand point evaluation. And then we're also going to look at the shape point evaluation. That's the long suit points and the short suit points, and talk about how they work together to create those tricks. And that's whether you're in a suit contract or a no trump contract. This works on all contracts. So high card points, just as I mentioned before, aces are 4, kings are 3, queens are 2, jacks are 1. Just as an interesting side point, kings are actually 3.2 and queens are actually 1.7, and aces are a little bit off of like 3.9, right? Technically. Can you imagine trying to play bridge adding up decimals? No. So a long time ago, some wise person said, you know what? We're just going to round up here, round down here, round up. And here we have aces are 4 and kings are 3 and queens are 2 and jacks are 1. Then we come in with the long suit points. Now, I mentioned on the slide before, every seat position, the opener, the responder, the intervener, and the advancer, they all get to count long suit points, right? With the one exception. The one exception is when you're raising your partner's major. And then you subtract out your long suit points and you add in your short suit points. We're going to talk a long time. In fact, we're going to be talking a lot about that idea in lesson 2 of modern bidding, responders, choices, and hand evaluation. Responders got a lot of different hand evaluations than the opener and the intervener do. So long suit points. What is a long suit point? The long suit point is you get 1 point for each additional card after the first 4. So in our examples here, we have king 5 4 3 2. Okay, we're going to get a long suit point for that 2. Well, not technically the 2 specifically, but for the 5th card. Okay, so you would evaluate this suit right here as 3 high card points, 1 long suit point, for a total of 4 total points. Now, for lingo, I always talk in total points. If there is a pure high card point hand evaluation, I will say high card points. Okay, so if you don't hear me say total points or high card points, it defaults to total points. That's the world that I live in. I live in total points because I want to know the maximum number of tricks my hand can take. So I get to my games and I get to my slam, right? Those slam bonuses and game bonuses, they get up there fast, right? In our middle example, the 5th and 6th card, the 4 and the 3 here, would get 1 additional point for each card. So we have 4 high card points for the ace and 2 long suit points for a total of 6 total points.